Implementing 5S in manufacturing is a crucial step towards improving efficiency, productivity, and safety in the workplace. The 5S methodology focuses on organizing the workplace, maintaining cleanliness, and standardizing procedures to create a more efficient and effective work environment. However, there are common mistakes that organizations make when implementing 5S that can hinder its success. In this video, we will discuss 5 mistakes to avoid when implementing 5S in manufacturing. Mistake 1: Lack of leadership support. One of the most critical mistakes in implementing 5S is the lack of leadership support. Without the commitment and active involvement of top management, the 5S initiative is likely to falter. Leaders play a crucial role in setting the tone for the entire organization and demonstrating the importance of 5S principles. To avoid this mistake, it is essential for leaders to champion the 5S initiative, provide resources, and actively participate in 5S activities. Mistake 2: Inadequate training. Another common mistake is the failure to provide adequate training to employees on 5S principles and practices. Without proper training, employees may not fully understand the purpose and benefits of 5S, leading to resistance or improper implementation. To address this mistake, organizations should invest in comprehensive training programs to educate employees at all levels about the principles and techniques of 5S, as well as the expected outcomes. Mistake 3: Insufficient employee involvement. Implementing 5S effectively requires the active involvement of all employees. A common mistake is relying solely on a small group of individuals to drive the 5S initiative, while the rest of the workforce remains disengaged. To avoid this mistake, organizations should create opportunities for all employees to participate in 5S activities, contribute ideas for improvement, and take ownership of maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Mistake 4: Failure to sustain 5S practices. Many organizations make the mistake of treating 5S as a one-time project rather than an ongoing commitment. After the initial implementation, there is a tendency to revert to old habits and neglect the continuous improvement aspect of 5S. To prevent this mistake, it is crucial to establish systems for sustaining 5S practices, such as regular audits, performance metrics, and recognition programs to reinforce positive behaviors. Mistake 5: Neglecting safety considerations. Safety is an integral part of the 5S methodology, yet some organizations make the mistake of neglecting safety considerations during implementation. This can lead to hazardous work environments and undermine the overall effectiveness of 5S. To address this mistake, organizations should prioritize safety as a core component of 5S, conduct safety assessments, and involve employees in identifying and addressing safety hazards as part of the 5S process. Avoiding these common mistakes is essential for successful implementation of 5S in manufacturing. By securing leadership support, providing thorough training, engaging all employees, sustaining 5S practices, and prioritizing safety, organizations can maximize the benefits of 5S and create a culture of continuous improvement. With a strategic approach and a commitment to overcoming these challenges, organizations can realize the full potential of 5S in transforming their manufacturing operations.